Alright, Jerry Service Center here again. Scupping a Ford Ranger. As you can see, driving. So, no smoke. Alright, anything you want for that, call us. Jerry Service Center. T6 Ranger manual. Alright, Jerry Service Center here. We're going to Ford Ranger. Ready to scup parts. Start it up there. Alright. Starting in a one. Start back again. Alright, leave it island. Alright. So, Ford Ranger 2.2. 4-cylinder. Manual. Parts for sale. Scupping the engine. Let's start up in a one. Guys inside. Seats, everything good. Hood good. Everything good. Body good. Right. Manual wind up handle. All the door handles, everything intact. Right. Tail liner. The backlight fade away, but the other one cracked. But other than that, everything else there. Give us a call if you need parts. 671-0713 or 730-9449 or 462-3529. Jerry Service Center. Let me show you the exhaust in the back. No black smoke. Alright. Let me give it a little rev. Alright, so we're gonna give it a rev there. Alright, so we're on high, no smoke, no black smoke, no engine noise. Alright. So give us a call, Jerry Service Center, 2.2 Ranger, manual. Everything intact. Engine, 4-wheel drive, gearbox, not a problem. 4-wheel drive working, everything there, rims, tires, main lift spring, suspension. Right, give us a call if you need any parts, we deliver. Right, Ford Ranger 2.2.